Alright guys, we're at the dyno spot here. Another G80 right down there, but the lineup here is looking pretty good. You already went?
It's CLS going, then it's me, then it's you.
Okay, bet.
Fidget and not fire trading. You a 24 karat gold for each ring. $1 make $1 billion. 1,000 million. More than me, you. We get it in a one, in a thing, in a video.
I just got it like a month ago. Man. Give me some time. Give me some time.
Well, sit down, you know.
That means, sir?
You just got it.
I know. So that means, sir, around 20%. So this car is making the right around. So they're taking the car off the dyno here, but the car made 500 wheel. But I'm actually really impressed. For a stock car making 500 wheel, we got some baseline numbers. Now we're gonna modify it, tune it, see what we make in the future, and dyno it again. So definitely stay tuned for that. But yeah, 500 wheel, 502 wheel, and on the first run, it actually made 504 pound-feet of torque, which is, that's crazy. But yeah, I'm definitely impressed there. Me? Yeah.
You ain't doing the 10 to put them stuff on?
I just got it. Give me some time. Mine don't grow on trees.
Oh, so you gonna tune it yourself?
Yeah.
What are you gonna use?
You said what?
What are you gonna use?
MHD?
MHD? You said your ECU.
I mean, I'm just gonna get a flash tune for now. I'm just gonna do a downpipe for now. It's a daily.
Okay.
I ain't gonna do too much. Yeah. What car you got?
I have one.
The gray one?
Yeah.
I've seen it before. Around Newton. What's all done to it?
Everything the fuck I just tell you.
None?
Everything the fuck I just tell you. Listen to me. You know about this car? That's your best friend.
Anything he says no?
Anything the fuck I just tell you?
That's your best friend. Anytime he says no, that means yes.
If you stutter, then just like it. But you still do good on all-wheel drive stuff. Yeah. That's a big difference when it comes to two-wheel drive and all-wheel drive.
Yeah.
And a 497 foot car.
No, I did put it in dyno mode and all of that stuff, so as soon as you drive about quarter mile, you see all the lights come around.
Thank you, man.
We don't